Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Amazon Influencer Earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Amazon Influencer Earnings, begin by navigating to the Amazon Influencer Program website. Next, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. Enter your Amazon account credentials in the provided fields. If you do not have an account, click on the Create Your Amazon Account link. Once logged in, locate the Earnings section in your dashboard. Click on the Earnings tab to view your current earnings and performance metrics. To set up your payment information, find the Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings to proceed to your payment details. Add or update your bank account information for payouts. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid payment delays. Review the Tax Information section to ensure you are compliant with tax regulations. Provide any required tax documents if prompted. After entering all necessary information, save your changes. Return to the Earnings section to review your updated information. Monitor your earnings regularly to track your progress. Stay informed about any updates from Amazon to maximize your influencer potential. Now you are ready to effectively manage your Amazon influencer earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.